So now I have all the parts in that I need to go and refurbish this 2005 Sanitaire SC899. Let's go ahead and get started, and this time I think I'll start doing a few things on the top. Okay, let's hook the bottom of the bag up to the machine. Got a little hook right here, and you got a little lever right here. And let's gather this stuff right here and put the bag topper on. Sometimes these things are just unbelievably stuck after they haven't been removed and cleaned in a number of years, you could say. There you go. That's on. Now, you know what I'm going to do? You notice I have not actually put a paper bag in here. I want to particle test just the outer bag, like you were using it as a shakeout bag, because I tested it before. You've seen the particle tests with an F&G bag inside it, but what will it do as far as filtration with just the outer bag?